Hey everyone, welcome to the series of learning Python from scratch, and in this part 0 of learning Python, we are going to install Python on your PC for the person who haven't yet installed Python or finding some error installing the Python on your PC. So first of all, what you have to do, head in your favorite browser and just search for download Python. And it is going to be probably the first link. Just click on this, plus I will just link this in down description. And later on we will going to install on Windows, so we'll click on this Windows icon or hyperlink, and after that you can just search for it. So as you can see, if you have to download Python 3.8, it can't be used in Windows XP. If you want to download 3.9, which is the latest one, it can't be used in Windows 7. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to download this 3.8.7 because I'm going to install on Windows 7. Wherever, if you are doing for early after version of Windows 7, you can just use 3.9.1. So what I'm going to do, I will just follow this hyperlink, Windows installer 64-bit. I'll just click on this and click on save file. Okay, and it is going to take some time depending on your internet connection. It is around 27 MB. Okay, so once this is downloaded, which is 3.8.7, just double click on this, and this is the most important part. Just make sure you add 3.8 to path, whatever version, either 3.9 to path, make sure you add this, and just click on install now until you want to do customized installation. But I would not recommend you if you are not advanced user. So you can just directly click on this and let Python do whatever it wants to do with your PC. So we'll just click on yes, and it is going to take a bit time to install Python on your PC. Alright, so it will say setup was successful. Just click on close, and congratulations, Python is installed on your system. Now let us check if it is installed or not. So we'll install open cmd, and we will say Python -- version, and if it says that Python 3.8.7, congratulations, it is installed. Now you can say Python, just Python, and we will run our first program. We'll say print hello world, and we got an error, and yeah, so it says hello world, and this is it for installation in Windows. Now we will try to install Python on Linux. Plus you can also see idle is installed onto our system. We can say hello just to test hello world, and it says hello world, so it means Python is finally installed on our system. Now I'll shut down my Windows 7 and we'll get back to Linux. Alright, so I am in Linux, so I will open my terminal in order to install Python. More probably, whatever version you are using of Linux, more probably Python should be already installed. You can check that by saying Python -- version, and in my case it is installed, but I am going to pretend like it is not installed. So we'll say sudo apt install python 3, and just click enter and enter your password, and it is going to install Python on your PC. Plus you also have to say sudo apt install python 3 - pip, and it is already installed, so it is not going to again install. So this is how you can install Python on Linux. Let us try running our hello world program on Linux also. So we'll say print hello world, and there we go, it is installed. So this is it for this video. From next videos we will learn about variables, data type, functions, and a lot of stuff, cool stuff about Python. And this is it about installation part 0. Bye.